what did you do?
I will call the 666. Call the
Operator. Code blue, OPD, code blue OPD, ground floor, code blue OPD, ground floor.
Ground floor, storeroom.
Time.
Always beautiful. Time.
Time.
You started, and we will work on your watch the whole of the resuscitation, because my watch now says 1:11 Does anyone else have 1:11?
15 past 1.
Right? Right. So all the documentation that everyone is doing will be wrong, because her watch is the time that she started the resuscitation. So we're writing here our own times, and we're saying, oh, we're getting epinephrine, and the patient is not even there because our watch is different. And I see this in the auditing all the time. You've got to choose. In the resuscitation area, you should have a clock on the wall, and you always go for the clock on the wall. Okay? So far, so good. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me get out of your way. Mushkila. Let's see what's to rock and roll now. So, we called the code. Thank you very much. And remember to say clearly exactly where you are. And this is where we also have the problem. You say OPD, which area? Upstairs, downstairs, in the corner. Okay, lovely. So, you hear what you're going to do for me?
I will bring the crash card. And
Yes.
then I will plug it on.
Thank you.
Turn the monitor on.
Thank you.
And then we'll get the ample bag.
What else did you bring for me? The crash
A
card?
crash card and the suction.
Suction kit here. And what else have we got? Oxygen.
The oxygen.
Beautiful. Thank you. Now, if the patient is on a trolley like this, or the beds that we have around at the moment, it is hard enough to do your resuscitations. You could hear that recoil when I was resuscitating, okay? That is hard enough. But if you have a doubt, it is now when there's the two of you that you will put the backboard under. But very rarely you need the backboard, it depends if you're in the ward, those mattresses are too thick. ICU, you've got proper beds. But if you're in doubt, put a board. Okay? If in doubt, put a board. There's two of you. If it's a trauma patient, you're going to have to ask somebody to help you with the head. And you just log roll, put the board under. So, and remember, you've got to put the board from the waist to the head. Otherwise, you're going to get this sort of thing, you know? And your patient will wake up with a neck injury and a like it spasms. Okay? So place your board nicely if we want to. So you've arrived with this. What are you going to do for me?
Okay, so we will put now the ample bag.
Now you noticed what you just did. This is the most important step. You have moved the patient to where you can manage the patient, okay? How many times your patient is halfway down the bed, and what's happening, okay?